Greetings, everyone. I am Master Sio. Yo soy Maestro Sio. Je suis Master Sio. I am a master of medical QiGong and a Hawaiian kahuna healer. Today I want to tell you how I bless these special bracelets made from lava rocks. I take them in my hands like so and say, the Qi is all around me. The Qi is in me. I am the Qi. And I bless this bracelet that it may impart high frequencies of healing upon the wearer. I can do this with 2 bracelets, 1, or a whole bunch of them simultaneously like this. Each of my private session clients and those who come to my Saturday group healings receives one of these. My compliments to remind them of the great times that we have together. You can also add your own special fragrance with a drop or 2 of, say, frankincense like this, or sandalwood, tea tree oil, or whatever you want. These sacred bracelets made of lava rocks are now also available on Amazon, on eBay, and on Etsy. I am Master Sio, and I wish you the choicest blessings.